In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a remittance to a supplier on Xero. Let's dive right in and simplify this essential process for managing your business's finances. First, your journey begins on the Xero dashboard. Look towards the top bar of your screen, where you'll find a tab labeled Contacts. This is your gateway to managing your business relationships within Xero. Give it a click, and a menu will appear like magic. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option marked Suppliers. This section houses all the vendors you interact with in your business operations. Once you're in the Supplier section, you'll notice a list of suppliers you've previously added to your Xero account. This list is essentially a directory of your business partners, ensuring that all your transactions with them are organized and easily accessible. Look through this list and click on the specific supplier you need to send the remittance advice to. Clicking on a supplier will reveal all the transactions or bills you have associated with them. This transparency allows you to manage and review each transaction carefully, ensuring that you have a comprehensive understanding of your interactions. Now, what you'll want to do is find a bill that has already been paid. This step is crucial because remittance advices are typically sent to confirm payment details to the supplier. Once you've located the paid bill, click on it. This action will show you the payment details related to that bill. Reviewing these details gives you reassurance that all payment information is correct, which is key before sending any official communication. Next, focus your attention on the options available within this payment details section. You'll see a button labeled Options. Go ahead and click it. From the new menu that appears, select the Send Remittance option. This is where the magic happens, enabling you to communicate the payment details directly to your supplier. After selecting Send Remittance, you'll be prompted to enter the specifics of the remittance you're about to send. This step is your chance to personalize the communication, ensuring that every detail the supplier needs is included and accurate. Pay close attention here to the details to avoid any potential confusion or errors. Once you've double-checked everything and you're confident in the details you've provided, go ahead and click the Send button. Congratulations, you've successfully emailed a remittance to your supplier using Xero. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've ensured that your supplier receives an accurate and timely update, keeping your financial communications clear and professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you streamline your processes on Xero. Until next time, take care.